The human eye is an intricate and fascinating organ, a marvel of biological engineering. It acts like a camera, capturing light and transforming it into vivid images that our brain can interpret. The cornea, a transparent outer layer, first bends the incoming light, playing a crucial role in focusing vision. The light then passes through the pupil, a small opening controlled by the iris, which adjusts to regulate light intake. The iris, with its beautiful array of colors, adjusts the pupil's size to ensure the right amount of light enters the eye, protecting it from damage. Behind the pupil lies the lens, a flexible structure that fine-tunes the focus of light onto the retina, much like the lens of a camera. The retina, a light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye, is where the magic of vision truly begins. It contains millions of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones, each with a unique function. Rods are responsible for vision in low light conditions, allowing us to perceive shapes and movement even in dim environments. Cones, on the other hand, function in bright light and enable us to see a spectrum of colors, adding vibrancy to our world. The information captured by the rods and cones is then transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve, a vital communication pathway. This intricate process of light capture, focusing, and neural transmission happens in a fraction of a second, allowing us to perceive the world around us in real time, seamlessly and effortlessly. The complexity and efficiency of the human eye are a testament to the marvels of evolution, showcasing millions of years of adaptation and refinement. It is a sensory organ that underpins our understanding and interaction with the world, enabling us to experience life in all its visual splendor. Our eyes process information at an astonishing rate. Imagine watching a hummingbird in flight. Its wings beat incredibly fast, yet our eyes manage to track its movement. This is because our visual system can process information at speeds up to 1,000 frames per second. This rapid processing is essential for our survival. From dodging obstacles to recognizing familiar faces, our quick vision keeps us safe and connected. It allows us to react to our environment in real time. Whether it's playing a sport, driving a car, or simply walking down a busy street, our rapid visual processing is constantly at work. The speed of sight is a marvel of the natural world, enabling us to navigate and appreciate the dynamism of life. The world is awash in a vibrant spectrum of colors, and our eyes are the instruments that allow us to perceive this beauty. Color vision is made possible by the cone cells in our retinas. We have 3 types of cones, each sensitive to a different range of wavelengths: red, green, and blue. When light strikes the retina, these cones are stimulated to varying degrees, depending on the wavelength of the light. The combined signals from these cones are then sent to the brain, which interprets them as different colors. Interestingly, the perception of color can vary slightly from person to person. This is due to subtle differences in the distribution and sensitivity of cone cells in our retinas. Have you ever stopped to appreciate the intricate details of a flower petal or the delicate patterns on a butterfly's wings? Our eyes, with their remarkable resolution, allow us to see the world in high definition. The resolution of the human eye is estimated to be around 576 megapixels. This high resolution is due to the densely packed photoreceptor cells in the retina, particularly the cones concentrated in the fovea. The fovea is a small depression in the retina that provides the sharpest vision. It's responsible for our ability to see fine details and focus on objects. Whether we're reading a book, admiring a work of art, or simply taking in the beauty of our surroundings, our high-definition vision allows us to appreciate the world in all its intricate glory. The blind spot, a hidden gap in our vision. It might come as a surprise that each of our eyes has a blind spot. This is not a defect, but a natural part of our visual system. This blind spot is a small area on the retina where the optic nerve exits the eye. It's a crucial point where visual information is transmitted to the brain. There are no photoreceptor cells in the blind spot, meaning we cannot see anything that falls on this area. This absence of photoreceptors creates a gap in our vision. You might be wondering why we don't constantly notice a gap in our vision. It's a curious phenomenon that we rarely think about. The answer lies in the remarkable ability of our brain to compensate. Our brain is constantly working to ensure we have a complete visual experience. Our brain uses information from the surrounding visual field to fill in the missing information. It seamlessly integrates the data to create a full picture. It creates a seamless visual experience, even though there's a gap in the information received by our eyes. This process is so efficient that we are usually unaware of the blind spot. The blind spot is a fascinating quirk of our visual system. It serves as a reminder of the incredible complexity of our vision. It highlights the complex interplay between our eyes and our brain in creating a complete picture of the world. This intricate coordination is what allows us to perceive our surroundings so seamlessly. The busy life of eye muscles. Our eyes are constantly on the move, even when we are not consciously aware of it. This constant motion is made possible by a set of 6 extraocular muscles that control the movement of each eye. These muscles work in perfect coordination, allowing us to smoothly track moving objects, scan our surroundings, and maintain our balance. One of the most intriguing aspects of eye movement is its role in rapid eye movement, or REM, sleep. During this phase of sleep, our eyes dart back and forth beneath our eyelids. This rapid eye movement is thought to be associated with dreaming. Even when we are fast asleep, our eye muscles are busy at work, reflecting the ongoing activity of our brains. The eyes don't lie. Pupil dilation and attraction. Our pupils, those black circles at the center of our eyes, are not only responsible for regulating light intake, but also serve as subtle indicators of our emotions and interests. Have you ever noticed your pupils dilating when you look at someone you find attractive? This involuntary response is linked to the activation of the sympathetic nervous system, which kicks in when we experience excitement, arousal, or attraction. Pupil dilation is a subconscious signal, often referred to as windows to the soul. It's a fascinating example of how our eyes can betray our hidden feelings and desires. So the next time you notice someone's pupils widening in your presence, it might just be a sign that they find you intriguing. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful eye doctor? Because he was outstanding in his field. Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content. A world of vision comparing animal eyes. The animal kingdom offers a stunning diversity of eye designs, each uniquely adapted to its owner's environment and lifestyle. From the skies to the forests, and even the depths of the ocean, these eyes have evolved to meet the specific needs of their habitats. Take the eagle, for instance. With their incredible visual acuity, eagles can spot prey from miles away. Their vision is so sharp that they can detect even the slightest movement on the ground while soaring high above. Their eyes have a much higher density of photoreceptor cells than human eyes, giving them exceptional detail and distance vision. This allows them to hunt with precision and efficiency. Chameleons, on the other hand, possess independently rotating eyes, allowing them a 360-degree field of view. This means they can look in 2 different directions at once. This unique adaptation helps them track insects and avoid predators in their lush, 3-dimensional habitats. Their eyes work together to provide a comprehensive view of their surroundings, making them adept at both hunting and evading threats. Owls, known for their nocturnal prowess, have large, forward-facing eyes that excel in low-light conditions. These eyes are specially adapted to gather as much light as possible during the night. Their eyes contain a high density of rod cells, making them highly sensitive to even the faintest glimmer of light. This allows them to see clearly in the dark and hunt effectively under the cover of night. Finally, the mantis shrimp boasts the most complex visual system known to science. Their eyes are a marvel of evolution, capable of seeing a spectrum of colors and light that is unimaginable to us. With 12 to 16 color-receptive cones compared to our 3, they can perceive ultraviolet and polarized light invisible to humans. This extraordinary vision helps them navigate and hunt in the vibrant, complex environment of the coral reef. Their eyes are also capable of independent movement and depth perception, making them formidable hunters in the coral reef ecosystem. This combination of advanced visual capabilities ensures their survival and success in one of the most competitive habitats on Earth. From brain development to heterochromia. Did you know that our eyes develop as an extension of our brains during embryonic development? This fascinating fact highlights the intricate connection between our eyes and our brain. Another intriguing aspect of eye development is heterochromia, a condition where a person has different colored eyes. This striking feature is caused by variations in melanin distribution in the iris. While we perceive the world around us through our eyes, it's important to remember that even when we sleep, our eyes continue to perceive light. This light sensitivity plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythms and sleep-wake cycles. Lastly, our eyes are not just windows to the soul, but also powerful communicators of emotions. A universe in our eyes. From the intricate structure of the human eye to the diverse adaptations found in the animal kingdom, vision is a marvel of the natural world. Our eyes allow us to experience the beauty, wonder, and complexity of our surroundings. They connect us to the world and to each other in profound ways. The next time you gaze upon a sunset, watch a bird in flight, or simply look into the eyes of a loved one, take a moment to appreciate the incredible gift of sight. It's a gift that allows us to perceive a universe of information and experience the world in all its vibrant glory.